Hi everybody, it's your girl Corey once more. Once again, I just wanted to share with you I had a great time today. I had two gigs, one at a park called Beatrix Park in the south side of Amsterdam, and it was awesome. It was nice, it was fun, it was gezellig. That's what I kept saying. It was funny. It was like the dogs even liked it in the park. One of them came on stage. I didn't even know. And the kids loved it too. The mothers loved it too. The fathers too. We had fun. And then I had to run to a wedding anniversary, actually two, and a birthday party in one. And that was nice too. I liked it. I liked it. I liked it. I just love what I do. And I hope you do too. So hopefully, maybe, prayerfully, I can be at your event soon, your party, your fellowship, or just because you feel like being entertained. I'll get there. I'll be there. Just call me, okay? Just call me. Don't call Tyrone. Call Corey. All right? Love you. Bye. God bless.